the ManaEZ Hip. So place the hip wrap right around your waist. It has a strap. It's going to wrap around your waist like a belt between the D-ring. Go and pull that strap nice and snug. One more strap around your leg to the front of your thigh. Going to help keep the wrap intact. Also, there's an air bladder that's going to help compress the ice pack towards your hip. Make sure the switch is on. Going to squeeze the hand pump to your desired level. Also has a button to release the air if it's too tight. If the switch is on off, you will not be able to inflate and you cannot deflate the brace.